Walter Mitty Conman Jody Oliver was a man who lived an elaborate, exhausting double life. During a previous fraud case, his barrister said, he is someone who is prepared to give back to society and is prepared to get his life back on track. Those words now have a very hollow ring. For Oliver went on to commit a crime that overshadowed all previous dirty deals. Wife Laura and their 3 children, the former Birmingham car salesman was a high-flying businessman whose job required frequent trips abroad. To his fiancé Rhys, a man he met on a dating site, Twisted Oliver was a dashing cruise ship captain, and the 44-year-old, who lived in Worcester, went to extraordinary lengths to play the seafaring part. That's despite in reality suffering from severe seasickness. He dressed in a P&O uniform, rebranded himself Captain Jonathan Flynn, forged papers, and invented crew members he worked with. During the week he was to his wife in Brecon, Powys successful director Jody Oliver. At weekends he was to his boyfriend in Newport, South Wales suave Captain Jonathan. Oliver was living a well-heeled high life he could not afford. Like so many fraudsters, Oliver believed the adventures he invented. He lived in a twilight world that straddled make-believe and reality. Cruise ship captain. 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 Cruise ship captain.